much fun. Currently, I'm headed to the pet store, and I'm gonna pick up some crickets for my bearded dragon. I just got a baby bearded dragon a little over a month ago, so he's growing and he's eating a lot, so I gotta go get some more crickets for him. Thought I would start with a little introduction before I get into some of the videos I'm planning on doing, which the first is I want to do a review on my 2018 ZX6R. I have a couple of modifications done to it, including a tune. Personally, I love watching people review bikes because, especially in the bike world, it's kind of hard to get yourself even some test rides on them, and get an actual idea of what it's like to have a certain bike. So I thought it would be a good idea to do a review on the bike that I have. Obviously it's easy because I have access to it, but a little about me. I have owned 3 bikes throughout my 5 years of riding, this being the 3rd. My first bike was a Ninja 650R, 2006, and my second bike was a 2007 ZX6R, and those 2 bikes I had for the past 4 years, and for the past year I've had this 2018 ZX6R that I bought brand new. This is the first bike I ever bought brand new, and it's been so great, especially with all the modifications that I did to it. I really only could want a 1000. That's really what I want to do next, is get a 1000, and I'm really looking at the S1000RR, but for now I'm settling with the ZX6R. The tune that I got on it really amped up the performance of the bike, and kind of just gave me that fresh feeling like I got a new bike almost. It's really that outstanding. So just a little overview here. Got the metallic silver black, I believe that's what it's called, color. Got the Graves slip-on. Couple of little modifications here and there, like the rear seat cover, the ASV C5 shorties, little phone mount here, and you know, the basic frame sliders, swing arm spools in the back. Gotta have the Fender Eliminator. Gotta take that thing off immediately. It was horrible, especially on this bike too. It looks so bad. Obviously I don't have the little signals here, so I have the DMP integrated taillight as well. I also have the Tech Spec X-Line tank grips. Got the 5-piece, although this one isn't the same material as this. This is just the regular snakeskin, but that's what they include in the 5-piece for that. I guess they don't make the center tank grip in that same material. But overall, here's the bike. Obviously you can see it's absolutely filthy right now. So I tried doing a little review the other day, but I didn't like how it turned out because the bike is just so dirty. So I'm going to clean the bike up, put together a nice review. Hopefully it could be helpful, especially for people who are looking at getting this bike used. I can share my own opinion on, you know, some of the pros and cons this bike has. So I'm going to go pick up the crickets for my dragon, and I'll be back to finish off this just little quick intro video to what you might expect from the channel. So be right back. Alright, got the crickets here. I started off getting like 100 or 150 every time I came, but he's been eating so much I gotta get like, this is about 300 crickets here. Alright, so let's get back on the road and finish up this short first video. Sounds great. The Graves exhaust, highly recommend if you have a ZX6R looking for a slip-on. Gotta get the Graves. Fantastic. Little pricey, but totally worth it. So, for this channel, I'm really just trying to, first of all, not be bored to death sitting at home during this pandemic that's going on in the world right now, but I've been wanting to do a review on this bike for a while, but I just haven't had the time to do it. Now's the perfect time to get around to doing that, and I have some other videos planned too. I'm thinking about doing a review on my girlfriend's car. She has a 2018 Camaro 2SS Redline Edition, so I think that'll be a fun car review to do. And of course, I can always review my own 2013 Genesis Coupe. Not going to be as exciting, but who knows, maybe someone looking for a used Genesis Coupe could find that video review useful. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please leave a like, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more content like this, where it's just casual and kind of motovloggy, or if you think I should just stick to the full-on review videos that I'm planning on doing. But that's gonna be it. So until next time, peace.